topic we have for discussion is it is the indicators that is used for the measurement of pH. So let's have a discussion about the measurement of pH. Basically, the scientists use different chemicals for the measurement of the pH or to identify the range of pH for the different solutions. And they may also use another ways for the measurement of pH, but we have here three ways. The number one, we have the use of pH paper, and the second one use we have it is the litmus paper, and the third one use is of indicators. So let's have a look that how we can use the pH paper to measure the pH of the solution, how we can use the litmus paper that whether the solution is acidic or whether the solution is basic, and the use of indicators. So the first one we have the pH paper. Basically, pH paper are mainly the strips of the papers, as when we dip this paper in any solution, then a specific color appear, and from this color we maybe know that whether the solution is acid or base, and what is the pH of the solution. So this is called the pH paper. pH paper mainly it is a strip or the paper. For example, here I'm having any, you can say that a small vessel or any container, and it is having the solution or any type of acid or a base. It is having any solution, and I do not know that what is the pH of the solution. I do not know whether the solution is acid or whether it is a base. So I will take a strip of a paper. Likewise, for example, it is a blue strip. It is a pH paper, and I will just started to dip this paper in this solution. And when I just dip that, after the remove from this, now this strip is gonna to show some specific color. For example, it is gonna to show the right or the red color. Then this red color is gonna to show that maybe it is an acid, or maybe it is a base. So from this color we will identify that what is the pH of the solution and what is about acid or a base. So for this pH paper we have a measuring scale, and we have the already calculated calculations from pH 1 to 14, and by the matching of the color with this, with the help of this strip, we will be able to find out whether it is acid or a base. Next we have for the measurement of pH, it is a litmus paper. Now what does the litmus paper? Basically, litmus paper is of two type. The number one is the red litmus paper, and the second we have it is the blue litmus paper. So the red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. If we have an acid or a base, when we are gonna to dip the red litmus paper in an acid, then there is no change in color. But when we are gonna to dip the blue litmus paper, then we have shown that its blue color has been changes into the red. Now this red color shows us that the solution is acidic. On the other hand, if we have the solution like base, and we are gonna to dip, if we have a base and we just dip red litmus paper, in it, so this red litmus paper will be changes into the blue color. So this blue color will shows us that the solution is a base. On the other hand, if we have blue litmus paper and the blue, then it is having no change in their color. Basically, litmus paper are also the small strips of two colors, the red and the second one is blue. So the one is red and the second one is blue in color. So this is the litmus paper, and the last one we have acid base indicators. Basically, acid base indicators are known as universal indicators. Now, the universal indicators are basically these are the colored organic compounds. Acid base indicators are the colored organic compounds, and these colored organic compounds are formed by the mixture or the mixing of various compounds. And we have a lot of indicators or organic compound that are colored, and they may show the in their color change in color when they get dissolved in any acid or base. For example, here I'm having a solution and I do not know whether it is acid or a base, and I am having any indicator or a solution. When I just started to drop that indicator, then there may be a change in the color of the solution. From this change, I will be able to find out that whether this solution is acid or whether this solution is a base. So basically these are intensely colored organic compounds. So we have a lot of examples of acid base indicators. The first one we have phenolphthalein, and it shows pink or purple color. It shows pink or purple color when it is going to be dipped in the base, and it shows red color in the acids. Second example for the universal indicators or the acid base indicators, we have methyl orange. As this methyl orange may show yellow color, it may show yellow color, and yellow color will be in basic solution or basic media, and it will be show red color in the acidic media or in the acids. So this is all about our today's lecture, that how we can measure the pH. Basically we have three scales: pH paper, litmus paper, and the last one that is more precise, it is the universal or acid base indicators. I hope you guys understand about our today's lecture, and if you have any queries you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.